How to disable add everyone on Discord. In this tutorial, I'll show you guys how you can easily turn off the option to ping everyone on a Discord server. First thing first, open up your Discord application and just make sure that you're logged into your account. Now let me just quickly head over to my server right here. So if I head over to general chat and then type in add, I'm able to mention everyone. So if I tap on it, it will ping everyone and everyone will be notified on the server. So if you want to turn this one off, what you can do is go to your server settings. So tap on the server name and then go to settings. Once you've done that, just scroll down and find moderation. And right below that, you have user management, members and roles. Tap on roles and it will show you everyone's role. So tap on add everyone where it shows the default permission for all server members. Now you can just click on manage roles and turn this one off. So scroll down all the way and here you can find the option mention add everyone at here and all roles. It will allow the members to use add everyone. That means everyone on the server, or here only online members in that channel. They can also mention all roles even if the role allows anyone to mention the role. So just turn this one off and you'll be good to go. Don't forget to save the changes, and that's pretty much it. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to like it and subscribe. I'll catch you on the next one.